next let's talk about adding new skills. So to see the list of available skills, you can perform the command, right? So there are a lot of skills available within. So you can go to the documentation and read about. So you can read about OpenClaw skills available. Also, if you wanted to list down the skills, right? So you can list down the skills available. How can you do that? So to see the list of available skills, the command is very simple: OpenClaw skills list, right? So once you see the OpenClaw skills list, it will show you the list of skills available. To install a new skill, you can say npx clawhub install weather as an example. Weather is a skill, and once you install, you restart and start to use. This is how you install new skills, right?